it's new. I'll go listen to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is today's a little different. So it was supposed to have been a I was supposed to record a DIY video alone, but I thought this the last moment, why not let Mila join? So she's here, full of all the bubbles. But today we're going to be recording a DIY from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So it's going to be both together. But the items are cheap, it's not expensive, so you'll be able to make it still cheap. But yeah, so my daughter is going to be with me. She is going to be recording with me today. Normally I don't let her record with me when I do the DIY videos because I like to focus and really do the DIY versus mayhem happening on the table. But today we're home and I figured why not do it. So there are two videos, there are two DIYs we're doing. The first one, I believe it is, yes, it is strictly a Dollar Tree DIY. And the next one is Dollar Tree and Walmart. The first one we're gonna do is kid friendly, but the next one is not kid friendly, but I'm gonna still let her join in if she wants to join in to record it with me. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the first DIY and then I'll explain the second DIY after I explain the first DIY. But if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified every single time I upload, and I will see you guys after I get done showing you what the DIY is. Okay, so these are all the items that I am using. I'm using 3 craft jars from Dollar Tree, 3 packs of candy from the Easter section of Dollar Tree, a painting tray, hot glue gun, scissors, 3 different types of paint from Walmart. They run about $1 to $2. Some ribbon from Dollar Tree, 3 ceramic bunnies from Dollar Tree, some burlap twine from Dollar Tree, and also the moss is from Dollar Tree. All of these items, I promise you'll be able to find them at Dollar Tree. As far as the ceramic bunnies, you might want to search for those because I'm not sure if you'll be able to find those at one Dollar Tree. This next project, I will get more into detail a little later with it, but these are all the items that I'm using for the project from Walmart. We say you gotta pay attention to mommy. Huh? Okay. You ready?
Ready?
You ready? Yeah.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Doing this project with her honestly made me really happy, and to be completely honest, I think I am going to add her into more of my DIYs that I do on my channel. Just not the not so kid friendly projects, but this project specifically was a kid friendly project, and this is something that I want to include her in on because my daughter honestly loves art. She loves to color, she loves to draw, she loves to paint, she loves to sing, she loves to dance. So she's really in the art field as much as her parents are, because I love to sing, I love crafting, I just love anything that I can make beautiful, and this is one of the things that I love to do, and this is my outlet as well. So just seeing how happy it made her really made me one of the happiest moms in the world, because it's really hard to have sit down times and just basically cut the world off and focus on her. So seeing that I am, working and taking care of mom things around home and with her. So it's kind of hard to sit down and actually have that one-on-one time, and having this day right here where we made the little peep jars is what I call them. It was really fun because it gave me a different outlook on certain things, and I think that's what becoming a mom is all about. You living and you're learning, and that day I actually learned that one-on-one time is very important, and I want to start inputting that into not only me and my daughter's routine, but also me and my fiance's routine, because we have a hard time with that as well. But not trying to just talk all over the video. I just want you all to focus on the video, me and this sweet little face that you all see. So keep watching, and there'll be plenty more ramble moments. But I'm just letting you all know, this is just, it really makes me happy just watching her. So I really hope you're enjoying the video so far. And this is how the project turned out. You can tell who did the purple bunny. We actually both did the purple bunny, but I didn't catch the under bottom of the legs, and honestly that's completely fine. It's just that sentimental to me. But these were so pretty. They turned out so beautiful, and they look like the little peeps. So yeah, I hope you all liked the first one. But now moving into the second one. The second one is basically, I'm making reefs for over my fireplace. Because of my fireplace, if you look at any of my previous videos, I have a black picture frame hanging over it. That picture frame will soon be white and it'll be hung somewhere else. But I didn't know what to put over the fireplace. I wanted to put something that was really sentimental to not only me, but to the whole family basically. When we walked in, we seen it, and that's what building a home is. You see something, when you walk into your home, and it makes you feel happy, makes you feel like this is home. And this is something that I walk into and I look at it every day, because it just makes me happy knowing that I took my time to actually put it together. This is my first time doing it, and I can say I did really good. It's just some things I would probably do different the next time around. But I'm making three ring leaves for over my fireplace, and inside of each ring leaf is going to have our initials. My name is Karima, so there's a C. My fiance's name is Rashad, so it's an R. And my daughter's name is Jamila, so it's J. And I basically put it inside of the reef and put florals around the reef. But the video is very self-explanatory. I'm just using white chalk paint to paint my letters, and I took some black paint, which honestly I probably should have never did. And I don't know if I'm going to take it down and go back over it with just white, because I don't know if I really like the stress look on it. And here I am basically drilling little tiny holes into my letters. What I should have done before I started to drill, or even with the project period, was to size my letters. That's one mistake I made, because when I tried to put the R on the reef, the R basically didn't need any holes. I can just hot glue it down on there. It was really big. The J and the C went straight through, so I had to drill holes into the J and the C to make it loop with the reef. Honestly, I I can't think of any other way that I would have put the C and the J onto the wreath. I probably would have used zip ties from Dollar Tree, the clear zip ties, to get them on there. If you don't have a drill, that's another way where you can get them on to the wreath if you do decide to do this DIY. And actually sitting back looking at the DIY, I don't know if it's just me, maybe it is just me, but it's my taste. These actually look perfectly fine without anything, but that's just probably me at 12:30 in the morning recording a voiceover.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Got me all lost, feel so blue. Leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby.
And here I am basically using hot glue to put on my twine. Just a bit, it's like giving my twine a little bit of a shoestring feel, so it can easily go through the whole of the letter. And this part is kind of sort of self-explanatory. I'm basically sticking the twine through the wooden wreaths. I'm sticking the twine through it just so it can stay in place, because if I would have put through, not through it, it would have been rolling like down the wreath, if that makes sense. So I stuck the twine in the wreath so the letter can stay in place.
Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just
Okay, so here I basically had a bunch of greenery. I used a wire cutter and I clipped the greenery off of the stems to stick inside of the wooden wreath. Some of them I were able to just stick in, and some of them I had to hot glue in, some of them I had to bend in. But this was my first time actually doing this project, and honestly, I would do the placement of the greenery a little better. But when it comes to the greenery, when you do put it in, make sure you're going the route of the reef, if that makes sense. Because if you're putting the greenery going up towards the reef, it's not gonna stick in. And if you put it going down the way the reef is going, it'll stick in and it'll give it like a swirl look when you're done. Just a little tip, if the tip made sense to you, because sometimes doing DIYs can be a little complicated, but you'll figure it out as you're doing it along if you end up doing the project. and I continue to do the same with the R and also the J. Um, just sticking and going and sticking. And honestly, um, when it comes to DIYs, it can get a little complicated, but I believe, you create your own piece of art. So if you love it, then you love it. And that's all that should really honestly matter. Now, with that being said, I did not love the way that this came out. So I literally did the whole ring and untook it to redo it again. And the second time I did it, it actually turned out really beautiful to me. And yeah, I mean, just follow your heart and do what's best to your liking. If you like the way you do it the first time, and leave it as it is. If you don't, then take it and do it again. Isn't life like that? But yeah, so this is how I did the J. I did my C the same way, my R the same way, and if you can see the little stem sticking out on camera, I actually clipped some of those away with the wire cutters, just to make sure it flushes to the wall a little bit better. Hey guys, we're back. Just wanted to end the video. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see another one of these, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time who uploads. Say hi guys.